I forgot to buy some foods. I'll be back. You stay there. I'm back. What did he do? What happened here? What did he do? Wait a second. So guys, I'm alone here and she's sleeping. Show you. Now, whoop, she's sleeping. I had an idea to put the CCTV in here, up there. I think she's playing or breaking my stuff. So I'm gonna try to CCTV it. I'm gonna put the CCTV in here, behind the curtains. Sleep. I'm gonna sleep.